All right, let's take a look at lesson 6, random numbers. So this is a prediction, again, we're doing here for the first lesson. And we're looking at this code segment. So we have a background that's tomato, so probably a red background. So we're going to kind of predict what we think is going to happen here. And then we have fill, and then orange, and then we have an ellipse. So we're going to have a background that's probably a red, like a tomato, and an ellipse that's going to be orange. But now we have this new code block here that's called random number. It says 200 to 400, and it's in the X location. So we could make an assumption that in this X location, this random number, when we run the code, it's going to randomly pick a number here between 200 and 400, and that's kind of what random numbers do. You kind of tell it this is going to be our small program that we're going to run inside of this, or a function, and then it's going to, you tell it what numbers you're going to pick between. So it says 200 to 400. What I would guess is the X location every time we run is going to pick between 200 and 400. So let's go ahead, and that's what I'm going to say it's going to do. It's the ellipse will show up between X location 200 and 400. So let's just go ahead and run that, and now we see it here, and notice the X is like 262, and then 387, 249, right around in there. So you'll see it'll never go less than 200, and it'll never go more than 400. So it's going to stay between here and like over here. Okay, and it's going to keep just showing up at different spots every time we run it. Okay, so that's how this works here with the prediction. Hopefully that helped you, and good luck on your coding.